Watch what my phone says when I plug it in.
I was at 1%. You monster!
If you want your phone to do something similar, using your own sound file, you can set it up in just a few easy steps. Let me show you. Go to the Play Store and install an app called Battery Sound Notification. Open the app, and when it asks for permission to show notifications, tap Allow. That's what lets it play your custom sound. Tap the blue plus button at the bottom right to add a new event. Under Mode, choose Connected. That means the sound will play when you plug your phone into charge. Under Sound, choose Audio File, File Explorer, and pick any WAV or MP3 you want. Make sure you save it. Now when you plug in your phone,
I was at 1%. You monster!
it will play whatever file you have selected. Now your phone can complain or cheer every time you plug it in. And remember to follow for more Tech Tips with Larry.